Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Devidas Nikam. So today is date 18 February 2022. So I'm going to explain on today's topic string in Java programming language. So what is a string and why is in a Java programming language string? What are the types of method in a string and how to create a string object in Java programming language. So firstly I can explain the what is a string. So string is a sequence of character is work same as a Java string and so it's called as a string. So string Java lang string class is implement to the serializable, comparable, and char sequence. So string is a string is a implement to the char sequence and serializable and comparable. So char sequence is a interface to the implement char sequence is a interface to the implement the string and string buffer and string builder. So it's called as a char sequence and string is a is also non-primitive string is a non-primitive data type and string is immutable in Java programming language. So string is does not change. So it's called as a string, and string is available in Java programming language. And there are two-way creating a string. String object. First one is bilateral and another one is by using new keyword. So firstly I can explain the bilateral using string create the object. So it's a string is a data type. Then we string is a data type. Then yes is equal string is a data type, and yes is a reference is a variable. So is equal to double inverted coordinate to suppose is a Yogita. It's a string. So if you create using a bilateral using JVM, check the string constant pool is firstly available in a string object in a string constant pool. So if you already exist, then we reference to the pool and return. So it's called as a and we another one is if you string object is also does not exist, then we create the new keyword using the string object in a string constant pool. So it's called as by using literal. So by using literal is a then we string constant pool is a object is already, then we does not create the string object. Then we refer the all reference variable is refer to the string, but does not change the string constant pool is a string. So it's called as by using literal. And another one is by using new keyword. So a new keyword is also creating the new string using the using the new keyword is also created. So first one is a heap. So it's a heap area and heap area inside the string constant pool. So a string constant pool is available in a object. So it's lots of object is also available in a string constant pool. So by using new keyword is creating the new keyword using the new string. Suppose I can explain the one example. Suppose one string is created using new keyword is a string is a data type. Then we reference variable is equal to yes. Then we is equal to then we new new string and new string is a new string to the suppose Yogita. Then we another string is also created. So a new keyword is also creating the string object too. First one is the string constant pool and string constant pool in available in string object, and another one is a heap memory inside and heap memory inside the available in a object, and another one is a string constant outside. So it's called as a by using new keyword in two object is created. First one is a string constant pool, and another one is a heap memory inside, and a string constant pool outside. So it's a refer to the new it's a reference variable to refer to the new string, and new string is also created. So it's called as a new keyword using a string object is also created. Then we a new keyword then we use the string. Then we multiple object is created to the multiple string is created to the creating using new keyword. So I can explain the methods of available in a Java programming language using string class. So string class is lots of method is provide. First one is compare to ignore, and equals, start with, index of, last index of, ends with, and is empty equals concat. So it's lots of method is replace all, replace, and so it's available in lots of method in Java programming language. Suppose concat string. So concat, suppose we can create the one string, suppose Yogita, and another string is also create Gita. Then we also concat use the concat method is also used. Then we then we output is also display the Yogita and Gita. So it's called as a context concat string concats method. So another one is start with, and ends with. Start with is also used to the startings of the character is also called as a start with, and ends with is also used to the last ends with the ends with the character. So it's called as a ends with, and index of. So index of method is also display the index, and zero position and one position to display the index of, and last index of using the display the last index of method. And so another one is equals to. Suppose yes1, suppose by using new keyword is also creating the new by using it literal is creating the string yes, string yes1 is equal to shine, and another one is a string to by using creator the literal using shine. So you can check the then we also equals to the equals method is then be true. So it's called as a equals method. Then we replace the suppose one string is a shine, and another string is Pune. So we can shine is replaced to the Pune. Then we also use to the replace method, and so it's called as a replace method. So I can explain the lots of method in a string class. So thank you for watching video.